Hello friends, today we will discuss statement in ABAP. ABAP source program consists of comments and ABAP statements. Every statement in ABAP begins with keyword and end with a period. ABAP is not case sensitive. So write hello world. Now save it, check it, activate, no errors, and execute. As you can see, hello world. Simple statement. As you can see, I have written a simple one line statement, hello world. But if we want to write more statements, so we have to write hello, write hi, full stop. But it will take more amount of time and it is very time consuming. So to avoid this, simply we can write hello, hello, comma, hi, comma, hello world, full stop. This way and this way, both the way we can write, but this way is more effective. As you can see, it will show same output. Hello. Control greater than or less than is used to comment or uncomment the statement. Inline comments may be declared anywhere in program by one or two methods. Full line comments, it is represented as full line comment by placing asterisk in the first position of the line, in which case of the entire line is considered by the system to be commented. Now the second part is partial line comment. It is called as this is called as full line comment. It is called as full line comments. And next is partial partial line comments. Partial line comments are indicated by entering a double quote. So we'll write a statement, right, hello world, and space, double quote, hi, my name is Abhishek. Now as you can see, it is partial line comment. We'll understand what is surprising blanks. Surprising blanks. So control okay. A non-zero comment follow the data statement. It is surprised all the leading zeros of a number field contains blank. Output is usually easier for user to read. So we will write some code data w n nur 10, you can give anything, type and stop, move 50 to W N U R, and write W N U R, no no zero. Now Pretty Printer to format, so we will save it, check it, activate it, no errors, and execute. See 50, as you can see 50. We will add a full comment in this line so that we can only see the output, 50 output. So but suppose if we remove non-zero, then it will show as, see, it is called as surprising blank. I will comment all these statements. Now we will see what is blank line. So control blank lines. A skip command helps in inserting blank lines on the page. So we will write a code to give you some details about it. Tab, this is a new program. Full stop. Skip, we will write skip, write skip full stop, write um, this is our second program. So we will save it, activate it, so execute. See, this is a new program, this is our second program. As you can see in both the statement, there is a blank space in between. It will represent as this, but it is not showing proper way. So slash slash, it is used for give the space for next line. So save it, execute it. See, we will discuss inserting line. So inserting line, INSERTING, inserting lines. Inserting lines or uline. Uline command automatically insert a horizontal line across the output. It is also possible to control position and length of the line. The syntax is pretty simple. So we will write a simple statement again. Write hi friends uline. Now save it, check it, and activate it. So see, it creates a line in between. So it creates a line as the name represent uline. Now last is messages. Messages we will discuss later on.